So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shesha Talkies. Hope you all are doing well, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Also, as you know from the title, this video is going to be about YouTube. Yes, as I am here on YouTube and I really wanted to share my views on it, and if some people are interested for that, I really wanted to share some basic information about that. So here's a video about that, and this video is divided into 3 parts. Number 1 is going to about why YouTube. Obviously, if you start something or you are into something, you really need to know that why we are here, what will we get, and what are the benefits. So this is going to be the first part. The second part is going to be about the basic requirements for starting a YouTube channel. I mean, what all do you need. Number 3 is going to be about what things you need to keep in mind while operating a YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video, and also stay tuned till the end. So yes, the first question is why YouTube? Why you should come on YouTube? Why should you operate this platform? Why should you use this platform? Why you should become a YouTuber? So here are the answers. Number 1, the basic thing is to record memories. Yes, I realized this afterwards that YouTube is a great platform to record your memories with your family, friends, your own views, your own feelings, your own emotions. I mean everything. It's not easy to keep, stored everything in your mobile phone, in your PC, in your laptop, or anywhere else. But YouTube is a great platform for that. So you can record your vlogging when you're going somewhere, when you're feeling sad, you can share your emotions. When you feel angry, you can share why you feel angry. When you're happy, you can make some fun videos. So yes, YouTube is a great platform for that. Other benefit of YouTube is to connect with people. It gives you a connectivity, it gives you a greater network, it gives you a greater audience. So yes, like I am a person who, I always love to be around people. I want people to be connected with me, and that's why I'm trying my luck here. And if you are a person like that only, then YouTube is a great platform for you all, because it gives you a stronger, a larger, a bigger connectivity, networking, audience, everything. So इसके अलावा the basic reason for a lot of people to join YouTube is money, to make money, to earn money. I'm not saying that this was not my reason, but I know the truth that it is very difficult. It is not impossible. Normal people are earning a lot of money from YouTube, but it takes some time, it takes a lot of patience. So if you are here on YouTube, you need to be prepared that it's okay, I don't know when will I get my thing. And YouTube पे money earn करना is like you can earn money when your YouTube channel is monetized. और monetization के बाद there are YouTube ads on Google ads on your videos, which makes money to you. So that's the reason for that. And for monetization, you need 4,000 watch hours plus 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers are quite easy to make in a span of 1 year, but 4,000 watch hours are too much. Yes, and you have to do that in a time span of 1 year. I'm planning to make a full-fledged separate video on monetization, so if you're interested for that, do comment down below. I will make it soon. So yes, this was all about why you should be on YouTube, why should you start YouTube, and trust me guys, this is fun and this is you need to be consistent, but you can operate it anytime, anywhere, anyhow. So yes, so the second thing is going to be about basic requirements for a YouTube channel. Obviously, if you have decided that you want a YouTube channel, you want to start YouTube, then what all will you need? ऐसा नहीं है that I'll just tell about the physical things you need, but what mentally you need to know, वो भी मैं इसमें बताऊंगी. So the very first thing is to set a specific category. I mean, एक genre select कर लो that you want to make videos on beauty, on fashion, on styling, on technology, on study, education, on some updates, on reporting, or comedy, gaming. There are a lot of categories these days, so you can select one in which you are interested and you feel that your audience will be interested as well. So the very first step is going to be this. Number 2 is going to be to plan your videos, to plan your content. Yes, it is not like that YouTube channel start कर लिया, अरे आज मैं फ्री बैठा हूँ, आज ना मैं गोल्डन टेम्पल जाके वीडियो बना लेता हूँ, वीडियो बना ली, अपलोड भी कर दी, फिर 1.5 महीने बाद जी मैं तो आज मैक्लोडगंज जा रहा हूँ, एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर लेता हूँ, फिर 1 साल बाद दोबारा मैं मनाली जा रहा हूँ, वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर लेता हूँ. नो, if you are going to start a YouTube channel, you need to be consistent and you need to plan your videos. If you have if you have selected a channel about comedy, then you have to plan. Your first video is going to be a introductory video where you will do stand-up comedy. Second video में you will make fun of some TikTok videos. Third में celebrities पे comedy. Fourth में टीचर्स के ऊपर. फिफ्थ में पेरेंट्स के ऊपर. सिक्स्थ में फ्रेंड्स के ऊपर. सेवन्थ में फैमिली. मतलब ऐसे यू हैव टू प्लान आउट थिंग्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस मुंह उठा के वीडियो बना लो. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट रिक्वायर्स अ lot of planning. And so then the third basic requirement is equipment. And equipment you need for making videos, you need for clicking pictures, and you need for recording your voice as well. So obviously for recording videos you need a camera or you need a phone. And ऐसा नहीं है कोई भी फ़ोन है ठीक है चल जाएगा, चल तो जाएगा, इट्स ओके, बट देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन दीज डेज. तो जितनी अच्छी क्वालिटी हो उतना अच्छा है. या तो फ़ोन की क्वालिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, और अगर नहीं तो कैमरा हो तो नथिंग कैन बी बेटर दैन दैट. ये हो गया वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. अब ऑडियो के लिए ऑब्वियसली योर मोबाइल माइक इज़ नॉट, स्पीकर इज़ नॉट दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग टू रिकॉर्ड योर वॉइस. अगर आप कहीं दूर से बोल रहे हैं, आप 2-3 जनों की वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करना चाहते हो, अब जैसे ट्रैफिक, मैं घर पे हूँ फिर भी इतनी आवाज़ आती है, सो यू नीड अ प्रॉपर माइक फॉर दैट. नंबर 3 इज़ अ ट्राइपॉड. ऑब्वियसली आप फ़ोन कहाँ रखोगी, कितनी देर तक आप मतलब कहीं साइड पे रख के वीडियो बना लोगे, नहीं अच्छा लगता. सो यू नीड अ ट्राइपॉड फॉर दैट. सो दीज आर जस्ट बेसिक थिंग्स. इट्स कम्प्लीटली योर चॉइस, बट इट्स गुड इफ़ यू हैव दीज इक्विपमेंट्स टू स्टार्ट अ यूट्यूब चैनल. सो the next part, the fourth part is very important, that is editing. And guys, trust me, जब मैंने YouTube channel start किया था, I didn't know anything about editing. I just called one of my friend and told him, will you help me in editing? But then I thought, कब तक मदद करेगा भाई, एक वीडियो एडिट कर देगा, 2, 3, 4, कब तक करेगा? So I took that responsibility on myself and I started editing my videos on myself. And there are a lot of editing apps. There is InShot, there is Vita, there is Filmora, a lot of apps are there, so you can go for it, you can try that out. And obviously जब हम ट्राई करते रहते हैं तो खुद ही हमें आ जाता है. बाकी आप सीखने के लिए, एडिटिंग सीखने के लिए यूट्यूब पे सर्च कर सकते हो, वीडियोस देख सकते हो और एडिटिंग सीख सकते हो. इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. एंड देन वीडियो एडिट एक तरफ हो गया. यू नीड टू एडिट योर टेम्पलेट्स एज वेल. टेम्पलेट्स मतलब कि thumbnail. Yes, so thumbnail is a very important part of a YouTube video. Thumbnail is that picture, that poster which comes on the video. ऐसे साइड पे जब आता है जो दिखता है सबसे पहले वीडियो के, तो वो obviously everybody who is going to watch your video is going to watch the thumbnail first. So it needs to be attractive. You need to know how to make that attractive. So just make some YouTube searches how to make thumbnails for that. I can probably make a video on that and I'll definitely make. So these are the things you need to plan out कि एडिटिंग कैसे करनी है एंड थंबनेल वगैरह भी बनाने हैं. तो एक बारी ट्राई आउट करो, 2-3 ट्राई आउट करो, बेस्ट वंस को सिलेक्ट करके ही यूज. देन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज सेल्फ मोटिवेशन एंड प्रिपरेशन. येस, फॉर बीइंग ऑन यूट्यूब यू नीड टू बी सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड. आई मीन अगर आप किसी के कहने पे यूट्यूब स्टार्ट करो देन इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू बी रेगुलर ऑन दैट. बट अगर आप खुद से चाहते हो ना, यू नीड टू हैव पेशेंस. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड, it requires a lot of patience, a lot of hard work, and be ready for that, be prepared for that. Be prepared that in the beginning you're going to get nothing out of it, nothing. But slowly and steadily, if you will provide quality content, if you will be consistent, why people will not like to watch your videos? They will. So be ready for that, be prepared for that, be motivated to do better in every video. So yes, so the last part, for a YouTube channel is consistency, which I think I have already covered, that you need to be consistent with your videos, with your updates. Be consistent not only on YouTube but on other platforms as well, because उस platforms पे like Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp पे ही जो आपकी audience है वही आपके साथ कल को YouTube पे भी जुड़ेगी. So be consistent. So this was all about the part 2. Now moving on to part 3, which is what all things do you need to keep in mind. See, YouTube is a very complex thing. हमें बिगनिंग में नहीं पता होता इसके बारे में. आई ऑल्सो रियलाइज इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. मैंने गलतियाँ की और मैंने फिर सीखा. बट इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग अ यूट्यूब चैनल, देन दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट हेल्प फॉर यू. So what things you need to keep in mind are, number 1 is copyright issues. You need to go through the copyright policy of YouTube कि क्या उसकी पॉलिसी है अच्छे से, एंड देन ओनली रिकॉर्ड वॉइसेस, वीडियोस एंड फोटोज़. यू कॉन्ट यूज़ ऐसे कोई भी ऑडियो फ्रॉम यूट्यूब. किसी का भी ऑडियो आप नहीं यूज़ कर सकते, बिकॉज अगर स्ट्राइक्स आ जाए आपका चैनल डिसेबल हो सकता है. सो कीप दैट थिंग्स इन माइंड. देन नंबर 2, अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, एवरीथिंग अबाउट मोनेटाइजेशन. बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अगर आप इतनी मेहनत करोगे, एट द एंड पैसा किसको नहीं अच्छा लगता. सो बी वेरी दैट अबाउट मोनेटाइजेशन में 4-5 कैटेगरीज की वीडियो, पहले 4 होती थी, अब एक और न्यू ऐड हो गई है. 5 वीडियोस कैटेगरीज ऐसी की हैं जिनको वो मोनेटाइजेशन में नहीं गिनते. मतलब अगर उन कैटेगरी की वीडियोस पे आपके 500 घंटे का भी वॉच टाइम है, यूट्यूब विल नॉट count them. So you need to keep in mind the monetization policy as well. Then things about thumbnail. Thumbnail दिखने में बस ऐसा छोटू सा लगता है, but it plays a very important, a very crucial role in reaching out to audience. So be very that about your thumbnail कि हाँ कैसे attractive बनाना है, कैसे हम उसमें नई चीज़ें add on करें. यूज़ गुड क्वालिटी पिक्चर्स इन दैट, यूज़ समथिंग डिफरेंट, यूज़ सम बिग टाइटल्स. मतलब कुछ अच्छा उसमें यूनिक करने की कोशिश करो. Last but not the least thing is about hashtags. As we all know, we use Instagram, we use Facebook. Hashtags play a major role in reaching out to a bigger audience. So use some good hashtags, some trendy hashtags, some relatable hashtags. So use a lot of hashtags indeed. डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक टैग्स की ऑप्शन होती है उसमें. सो यूज़ अ लॉट ऑफ हैशटैग्स, दैट विल हेल्प यू आउट डेफिनेटली. So yes, I guess this was all about the video, and I hope that this video was informative for you all. Also, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.